Hi, it's Christina Nichols with NicholsGPS. I'm so glad that you're joining me for this week's What's on the Whiteboard. This week we're talking about appeal production. Now, depending upon the medium that you're using, this is going to look very different, but there are really three key elements to it. You need your assets, you need your copy, and you need to prepare your medium, your channel, your delivery system, whatever you want to call it. So with your assets, does the imagery and does the artwork reflect the message that you're trying to share with your donors? Does the copy convey that with strength and with intention and with empathy? And for the channel, how are you delivering your message? We've talked a little bit about this before, but with the channel, is it an email? Is it an email? If you're still watching, please laugh right now because I like to flub up every once in a while. So is it an email? If it's an email, do you have your list pulled? Are you segmenting it? Are you segmenting the copy and assets to go along with that? If it's a mail solicitation, are you doing it in-house? Are you using a vendor of some type? And if you are using a vendor, I personally prefer to work with MCR out of Cleveland. I think they do a really great job. But do you have your project manager in touch, and do you have a really legit time frame that you think you can work with? If it's a phone call, do you have strong scripts and segments, and do you have all the data that you need for all of those projects? So appeal production, make sure you have your assets, your copy, and your medium all set, and make sure that you have your entire team on board. You know, we all work sometimes solo, sometimes we work in huge teams, and making sure that you have your communications and other development professionals on board with the message that you're sending out is really important. So enjoy, happy appeal production, and I look forward to seeing you at next week's What's on the Whiteboard. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.